Here we are back looking at our data set again and examining another way of getting this data in. We've actually looked at two ways so far, and this is going to be the third way of getting data into R. I'm going to use just a word processor this time. WordPad probably would work fine. I'm in a Linux environment, so I'm using gedit. You need to use a very basic word processor because you can't have any extra commands that extra characters that are hidden that a word processor puts in there. But here's the information that we need. We need games won and batting averages. Now I'm going to put the information in just separated by commas. 0.285, 112, 0.282, 118, 0.266, 74, 0.272, 91, 0.285, 99, 0.261, 116, 0.286, and 66, 0.287. Okay, so there's my data, and now I'm going to save it. I want to be sure that it gets there's my save as command. I'm going to call this www gedit file. And I want to put it in that working directory R so that it's in the right place. And so there it is saved. Okay. Now let's go to R and we'll do the same process of getting it in. Start up R. Remember that we need to check and see what our working directory is. Oops, it's the wrong thing, so I want to change that to the place that it'll go and look in the right place. All that has to be in quotation marks and parentheses. I want to list the files that are over there, that working directory, and there it is, www.gedit. So now what we can do is I'm going to call this gdata, and I want to bring this gdata in, so I'm going to read table. I think you can actually still use the read.csv because it is a comma separated file. www.gedit. That's it. And it's always good to put header equals true on here because we did have a header on it. There's our gdata. Had the games won, the batting averages, and those values that are there. Now we can do the same thing that we've done before. We can plot. Gdata is our data frame. We want to have batting averages, comma, gdata games won. Begins to make you think that you want to make these names a little shorter, doesn't it? And so there's our plot of that set of data that we saw before. Okay, that's it.